Wondered if you ever fold in the Chapman neurolymphatic points or
Yes. So Chapman was an osteopath and he worked especially during the Spanish flu epidemic in the US, and he didn't have much time to do a big treatment because what happened during the Spanish flu epidemic, a lot of the MD went to the war and a lot of DO were left behind. So the population in America learned how to work with an osteopath then, and a lot of osteopaths were overwhelmed by the number of people coming and they had to find a quick technique. So he worked with those points, and especially his in-law, Owen, who wrote a little book on that. And he called those little area with a little bit of a bump, a little node. So when I work on it, I don't necessarily activate the lymphatic. But when I work on the lymphatic, I release the point. So if you have a point on the lungs and the point is painful, it tells me the lymphatic of the lungs is sluggish. There's a dysfunction there. And by working on the lymphatics of the lungs, I will be able to release the Chapman point. It's not going to be painful. So he works that way and not the other one. And I work with advanced Chapman people that are expert in the nation. That's what I found out at the end. So it's a good diagnostic, tells you where the lymphatic is stuck. Then it's good to work on the lymphatic and recheck with the Chapman.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.